In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Facebook Marketplace. If you buy or sell on Marketplace, having the interface in a language you're comfortable with makes browsing listings, messaging, and managing your account much easier. The good news is you don't change the language inside Marketplace itself. You change it once in your Facebook settings, and Facebook updates the entire interface, including Marketplace, automatically. Start by opening Facebook, either in the mobile app or in a web browser. From the home screen, look for your profile picture or the three-line menu icon. Tap that to open your main menu. Here, you'll see an option called Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select it to reveal more options. Next, choose Settings. This takes you into the main preferences area where you can control things like account details, notifications, and language. Scroll until you find Language and Region. The exact wording may vary slightly by device or Facebook version, but it will be close to that. Open Language and Region to view your language options. Now tap Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Pick the one you prefer, such as English, Spanish, Filipino, or any other language shown in the list. As soon as you select it, Facebook applies the change. You don't need to restart the app or refresh the page. The interface updates automatically in the background. With the language set, head back to Marketplace. You can return by tapping the shop icon or by navigating from your home screen. The Marketplace interface, menus, buttons, and categories should now appear in the language you chose. This includes things like search filters, item categories, and navigation labels. Keep in mind that item titles and descriptions are written by individual sellers, so those may still appear in the language the seller used. However, the overall Marketplace experience, what you use to browse and manage listings, will reflect your new language setting. If something doesn't look updated right away, give it a moment and navigate to another tab, then back to Marketplace. Visual elements can take a second to refresh, especially on slower connections. Also, note that the steps are the same, whether you're changing the language for Marketplace on mobile or on the web. So once you've done it in one place, the experience should be consistent across your devices. That's it. You opened Facebook settings, found language and region, chose your preferred language, and confirmed it on Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in the language that works best for you.